Did you know that Amazon is in the blockchain business? That's right. It understands the power of the underlying technology behind cryptocurrency. Big organizations use Amazon managed blockchains, and it's two blockchains that it supports, a private and a public. Do you know the two? Well, the two are Hyperledger for private and Ethereum for public. But can we make money from Amazon's price action looking at the buying and selling behavior? Well, when we look at Amazon stock, this is their stock chart price. And if you see my analysis before, you know the market's moving on fives and threes. And what does Amazon and Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have in common? It's crowd psychology. There's buying and selling behavior. So the thing you really want to be aware of when it comes to price action, and if you want to make a lot of money from the markets, is you want to look out for these 5-wave patterns on the upside, a 3-wave correction, because normally at this point you'll see a continuation. And that's what we're seeing with Amazon. We've had this nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a very clean A, B, C correction hitting a particular ratio. So what's likely to happen next? Well, if you first of all want to learn how to make money and read these patterns like this time and time again, I've actually just created my 4 secrets trading masterclass that shows you how to read crowd psychology, and applying the 4 secrets together gives you 2 steps ahead of the market rather than being 2 steps behind, so you can buy low and sell high. So where is the next price target? By the way, for the masterclass, it's free and the link is in the description below. So for Amazon and any market, when we see a very clean pattern, it's like this is textbook stuff here, A, B, C. We've had a nice reaction to the upside. We are actually long on Amazon and we're making money at the moment, going long on Amazon. But what's the expectations over the coming weeks? Doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen, but it's highly probable. The next target is a Fibonacci price ratio. Fibonacci, by the way, it just applies to markets. It was shown to apply in human nature, but there were some very intelligent individuals in the 1900s that figured out it applies to markets, all markets, where there's buying and selling behavior and crowd psychology involved. And there's a ratio called 1.618, the golden mean. And what that means for Amazon is likely the next price target I have is $184. And that's around a 50% jump up in price. So if you trade that with a tight stop loss, you can make some serious money. So Amazon is in the blockchain business, but if you want to learn how to read the markets like a pro so you can make money from these phenomenal billion-dollar and trillion-dollar companies, whether it's in crypto, whether it's in stocks on the NASDAQ, on the S&P 500, gold, commodities, it's all the same. Why? Because they all have something in common. Buying and selling behavior, which give us identifiable chart patterns, which we can leverage, buy low, sell high, but there's also ways of shorting the market at the same time. So check out the masterclass. It's free. It's in the description link below. If you like today's content, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, show me your support. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to finish with a quote. I normally finish with a quote from my book, but I like this particular quote that I read in another book called Black Box Thinking. And it said this: beneath every success is a mountain of necessary failure. Necessary failure. So everything in life, from my experience, is always difficult before it's easy. And it just takes work. And sometimes the learning curve involves failing. But the faster we can fail, one, we can learn from other people's failures and then our own, but just knowing that is the key ingredient when it comes to succeeding. So when you're looking at trading, if you're brand new or if you're relatively new, looking at the price action, there's a lot of information, but with practice, everything becomes second nature. And it's the reason I've created the free 4 secrets trading masterclass. Is in the link below. I will see you very soon.